Welcome to a new semester. In this little introduction video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself, your instructor for this course, and what you can expect throughout the semester in this course. So, a little bit about me. My name is Bailey Brown. I have taken kind of a strange path to teaching a course on religion. So I have a background in civil engineering. That was my Bachelor of Science degree from the University of Oklahoma. And after I received that degree, I worked as a mechanical engineer for about 4 years at a paper mill in southeast Oklahoma. So then, while I was doing that, I studied part-time for a master's degree in theology. And so, by studying theology and studying the religion of Christianity, I learned a lot about the New Testament and about the Old Testament and just about the interconnectedness of the Bible, of the Old and New Testament. And so my hope is that what I learned through this master's program, I will be able to convey to you and show you the beauty of the New Testament. So a little bit more about my family. That was my family also in the previous picture. That is my husband Justice and my 2.5-year-old daughter Lily. So my husband Justice is also an engineer. He up until recently worked at the paper mill as well, and then actually just started working for a different manufacturing company in Fort Smith, Arkansas. So we are starting our journey as residents of Arkansas for the first time. So Justice is an engineer, and then he also studies, he is working on his master's program in philosophy from Biola, which is the same place that I received my master's degree. And then Lily, she's 2.5, and she keeps me busy with lots of dancing, lots of building blocks, and most recently a diner playset. So she's pretty often taking my order, making me food, and all sorts of things. So when I'm not making content for this course or grading your papers and stuff, I will likely be attending my daughter's diner. So we are just now relocating to the Fort Smith area, so that's where I am. I am often close to campus, so you can keep that in mind if we ever need to meet, or you may see me on campus. And if you do, please wave or come talk to me. So now I just want to talk a little bit about the content of this course and what you can expect. Now, as we go throughout this semester, there will be 18 modules. That sounds like a lot, but it's basically just a new module every week. We'll take 2 weeks to really just introduce you to the New Testament, to the world in which it was written, to the way that the New Testament is made up, and all of those fun background things. And then after that, basically every module will be just spent studying either a book of the New Testament or a few books of the New Testament each week. And then as far as a textbook, you don't need to purchase anything extra, any kind of normal textbook. What we'll be doing this semester is using the New Testament itself as your textbook. So if you don't already have a Bible, you can very easily find this text online, and you can find it in a variety of translations, which you'll have a lecture video on explaining what translations are. But if you, so basically just don't go out and purchase a textbook, but just use what you have or use a free resource online. As far as course engagement, these are the types of things that you can expect to be doing throughout the semester. You'll be, of course, reading the textbook, the New Testament itself, so you'll be doing a lot of reading the New Testament. You'll be watching lecture videos like this one. You'll be participating in discussion boards and some written assignments, and then you'll also take quizzes. Now, that's a little bit of information about the course. You can find more information about it in the syllabus, or of course you can reach out to me as well. But now I just want to go over some expectations that I have for you as your instructor. First, I want you to be open-minded and ready to learn. So, whether you're approaching the Bible for the first time or you've been reading your Bible throughout your whole life, I just want you to understand that there is always more to learn. And so, if you can stay open minded and you can stay excited to learn, then I guarantee you'll get the most out of this course. Next, be a good communicator. Not only do I mean this in the sense of communicating in your assignments and to your classmates and discussion boards, but please reach out to me. If you ever have an issue with an assignment, if you have a question, if you have if something comes up and you're not going to be able to get something turned in time, whatever the case is, please just let me know. I strive to be there for you as your instructor and to help you be successful in this course. But if you can't communicate and you don't email me or let me know what's going on, then I don't know where you stand and I don't know how I can help you. So when in doubt, please send the email or please reach out so that we can figure out a way for you to be successful. Next, be committed to making the most of an online space. So, a lot of times we probably do prefer being in a classroom setting and being able to relate to each other in more of a physical sense. There's still so much that you can get out of an online course. And so, I encourage you to just make the most of this online course and be committed to showing up, even though it's not showing up in a normal classroom setting. But when you do that, I guarantee that you'll have lots to learn, and I hope that you will see this as an enjoyable course. Now, importantly, please reach out about anything you have, any questions you have about me, my expectations for the course, or the course itself. So I am really looking forward to a great semester together. I love teaching the New Testament, and I can really nerd out with you about anything you find in the New Testament. And so I'm really excited to learn with you this semester and learn about each of you. So good luck. Let's start strong and finish strong.